The industry is still male dominated. As framework partners and as the hub, we're trying to change that. We're working with different partners, all in our own businesses, to encourage females to consider a role in construction.
Inspiring women into construction is really, really important. So there's not enough girls in schools who are interested. We need to capture that group of young people, inspire them to consider this as an industry to go into. Working with partners like Preston College, we can really showcase the industry in a really positive way, and today has been fantastic because the girls who are having a go seem to be really enjoying it. So our social value strategy heavily focuses on getting women into construction. It feeds into what we're trying to achieve across the region. It's crucial to get a more diverse workforce in this industry, and it's crucial to get young people into the industry, and particularly females, so this is fantastic for us.